So this is this year's black titanium, which I think looks very similar to last year because it's got that matte kind of effect. Certainly a stealthy matte look. I really like this actually this year. Right, so here's a closer look at the dark blue. And you can see this looks very nice. I think this is going to be very popular this year as well. I think this year's most popular model is, last but not least, natural titanium. This is what natural titanium looks like. Obviously it has that really premium grade look to it, and in the hands, yeah, I think this might be my new favorite color. Certainly going to be very popular this year with that look. It's got this matte feel on the back, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium, and then comparing that with the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium as well. Here's iPhone 15 Pro model colors with the whites. So all of this year's models come with titanium. They're certainly lighter in the hand than previous years. This one is the white titanium, I guess. So